Hi, buddy.
Oh, mind you, this is like at the top of the
Yeah, should we put guys in?
She can give me. Sorry about that, dude. If you clean those off, we'll go.
Yeah.
Are you guys both filming right now?
Oh, hey. Oh, hey, we got all the cameras right now.
Yeah. I should maybe come back.
I'm just cleaning up so we can get stuff to fit in there.
What are you guys up to today?
Rebuilding the power hammer. We just got some slippy slides for
Nice.
the slippy slider.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna stick the dies in, get this lined up so we can weld it all back up.
Very
so that
nice.
we've got the mechanism back together.
I love your technical terms, by the way.
It's like, well, I have to keep it technical.
Yeah.
I don't want anybody thinking I'm not smart.
This is why you guys get along so well.
Now he's installing the doohickey in the thingamajigger. Okay? How is it? Is it doohicking? Nope, it's not doohicking.
And
Not
maybe
yet.
due to me sticking the screws a little aggressively into things.
Yeah.
I gotta trim these down a bit. I'll do that after. Gotta let it do it.
Got a little gun home. What are you doing today?
I went for a really long walk and then I drove to town and I thought I'd see you guys cruising around, but that didn't happen.
Oh, yeah. We were very elusive.
Yeah, I know.
Nope. Hold on. We got two more in there yet. Or we gotta loosen off our.
We might have gone a little crazy on the slide. Oh no, we're sliding.
There we go.
We're sliding.
Ow.
Manual, babe.
Oh, this thing's slowed down.
Just trying to figure out.
Okay, so you're bottom of stroke right now. Alright. You probably could weld it on the other way. This way.
Yeah, isn't that good? Yeah.
No, I'm lying. No, because right now it should be tight at the bottom. Well, no, let's
It doesn't matter. I can adjust this. Well, this would be the hit.
back this off.
Just trying to think which way these can go. Well, there's adjustment anyway right now.
Yeah, you probably have room to go like. Well, we should think about it because you want to be able to open max too for if you're gonna do. Oh no, never mind.
No, the bottom
No,
is
you're
just-
good, you're good.
That's too much work. Though.
Yeah.
So this would be there and it can go out. It's probably fine. Yeah, because if we do this way, I can make it more aggressive. I feel we need the zap.
You just go with that. I mean, we can always bring this down if we have to. It's just if this was higher, then you've got a little bit more room for
Yeah, but
your
here I can,
profile dies later, right?
like this one's in the middle. I can go still half up, or I can't go down anymore.
But either way you work right now, you're going down.
Yeah,
Like you'll be dropping this lower.
yeah.
Right? So if you lift this up, it's gonna smash lower.
Mhm.
So you want it to be able to like consider this the bottom, so that if you had a thick die, like between profile dies,
Oh, that way.
then you would have more room. You know what I mean? So you'd have to lift this
Yeah.
up so that you would get max adjustment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I would have just that much more throw happening.
No.
Oh, but if he, I guess depending how we put this on.
Because you can lift the bottom.
Yeah.
You know?
Let's try to find max one way. So this is max one way.
Like, yeah, you definitely don't need max with it. Like an inch of opening is tons.
Well, that's the thing. That's why if I left it where it was, I can go up higher. That's all I'm saying.
It's alive.
No, it faster before. Yeah, this actually isn't that fast.
Yeah.
Really not that fast. Well, you got it reduced quite a bit. Oh, it's also because that motor is set to just 35. It would have been twice the speed. With that one, I guess.
Yeah.
A good day.
What are you guys up to today?
Just finishing up our Bam Bam 2.0.
Oh man, I love it. That looks amazing.
You
What's
like
that?
the in the dark, stormy weather headlamp paint job?
We had the most epic thunderstorm last night. Power went out for like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
And I'm looking out the kitchen window and I see
We got headlights on, headlamps, and all my trouble lights, and just painting this thing.
in the dark. Right, Pablo? Did you see that too? Yeah, you
What?
did. Yeah, you did.
Big boy.
Oh boy, gang's all here.
Buddy here too?
Hi, buddy. Everybody's coming in for pets. Pablo, that's rude. Don't do that. Pablo's sniffing something.
Getting all ready for the little metal shaping hangout.
Yes, that is tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys have made a lot of progress, though.
Fixing a lot of stuff.
Fixing stuff. We like stuff that works.
Yeah.
That's our favorite.
It works now. Alrighty.
All right.
Yeah.
Well,
Just have it out a little bit and.
yeah, I feel like I'm in the way right now. Okay, well, I do really love Bam Bam 2.0. That is awesome. Whose idea was this? Was the name?
Well, it was called the Bam Bam before.
Okay,
So after the fire, it only made sense.
sure does. Awesome. Well, I will catch you guys a little bit later.
Yeah. All right.
Later. Morning, fellas.
What's up, Esther?
Hey, hey.
How it going?
Pretty good. Baking cookies, you know.
Those are the best cookies I've had in so long.
I'm glad you liked them. We will share with others later.
No sharing.
Okay, I'm sending all the cookies home with Karl.
Yeah, stack me up.
So what do you guys got going on today? Chop.
Shaping.
Yeah.
Metal shaping
Carl
class.
hosts a metal shaping class.
We are
Yeah.
hosting it.
Co-host.
Stop trying to lump it off. Yeah.
I'm helping people.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
Sounds like a good day. You guys got a lot done yesterday and got some tools working.
Yep, Bam Bam 2.0.
I love it. Love it.
And slowly everybody's rolling in here. So.
Yeah. Yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys. Let's check the stations here. Very nice. We got some excellent tree stumps courtesy of our neighbor. Very, very nice. All right.
Everybody's rolling in.
I knew everyone would be early.
Keeners.
Time.
A bunch of keeners.
You betcha. All
Pull
right.
this up with some sand here and then
Okay, you guys have fun.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah,
so
good idea.
people can see what they can do.
Excellent.
I gotta go check out my cookies.